everyone, it's Stephanie from MidgetMama.com, and today I'm unveiling our special party box from Walt Disney World, Disney Kids Preschool Playdates. We are invited to host a special party with my kids and all their little preschool friends to discover what different preschool options Disney has right now. So in this little party box, it looks like we have a very nice Sophia the First suitcase from American Tourister. Seems to be filled with a bunch of stuff. Let's see what we got. Oh wow, we got some awesome Lion Guard temporary tattoos. And they look like some Disney maps for preschoolers. That'd be fun. Can't have a preschool party without some Nesquik. Yum. Laundry soap to get all that Nesquik stains out. Lexi, who are they?
Making food dough for my party.
Yeah. And then
Plates for my party.
plates for your party.
And look.
Oh, is that Olaf?
Yeah.
Oh, some sandwich bags for all the goodie bags. And then some little safari animals to fill the goodie bags with.
Tomorrow I'm going to give this to my birthday.
Oh, okay. And then we have Mickey tablecloth. Oh, it looks like a little craft to do some puppets with, it looks like.
I made a puppet.
At your party.
What is these stuff?
For our goodie bags. And then some photo strips from HP. Oh, that would be cool. Do a little...
Can I put this on the counter?
Sure, go ahead. Some more Mickey
Open
decorations.
It and put it on the counter.
No, that's for your party guest.
Oh.
Oh, very smelly breath. It's a scratch and sniff book. We'll have to do a little story time during the party.
Oh.
So everyone could smell different things like watermelon. And they can smell trees. Oh, and some cool bags for the goodie bags. Some Watch Disney Junior app bags.
And some more.
And some more.
And these ones.
Oh wow, look at these little reversible hats.
Can I one?
For your party, sure. They're little tiaras for the girls.
Can I put this on
Pirate's
the wall?
hat. At your party, we'll definitely put this awesome Mickey head.
Are we going to put this on the wall too?
Of course, some really cool posters of the Lion Guard. And that's it.
I'm going to color the box.
Okay.
Good.
Well, make sure you follow along with us at MidgetMama.com to see how our preschool playdate goes.
Mommy.